What's going on, guys? Got a little woodworking going on here. I've turned this nightstand here into that to better match our house and the way we decorate. We like the barn style stuff, but essentially just a little furniture paint, trim work, and some wood I had laying around. Put a nice little touch to it. I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. Not very hard. I probably have maybe $30, $40 if you include hardware and little miscellaneous things. But most of the stuff I had laying around. But if you want to see how I did it, I'll definitely include some pictures and some short videos on it. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.